Well everyone, as you can see, the garage no longer has a car in it. And that's because I sold the Camaro. It's not something I originally planned on doing when I got it. I loved the car, it was awesome. Had no issues with it, ran great, super fun to drive, pretty quick. But with my idea of moving to Arizona, I wanted to take one vehicle, and the 4Runner was the more practical choice. My idea was to tow a trailer with the 4Runner, but unfortunately, I also don't think I'm moving to Arizona this year. Maybe a lot of disappointments in this video, but I don't think it's the right time. The more I thought about it and considered things with real estate, it's just not the right timing, and I want to get out there eventually, but I don't think it's going to be in the next month or two. There's still so much to do here, and that's kind of what I realized. The rent out there is so expensive, and that's probably how I'd start out. I didn't want to get rid of a house and a garage and all my tools and stuff just to move into a tiny apartment and then not be able to do as much car stuff. Like, I would have figured it out, but I'm pretty comfortable with how I have it set up now, and I wouldn't want to lose that just yet. I'm still enjoying my house. I haven't even had it a year. There's still stuff to do here. And I did sell my Camaro, but that makes room in the garage for other stuff. And we're gonna do some more 4Runner mods. And I'm still enjoying that. And maybe we can get something else, especially if I'm staying here. I have the house. I no longer have that Camaro payment. I wanna pay off the 4Runner and do some more with that as well. And then we have room in the garage for something else. I'm open to suggestions. I have a few ideas of my own. Let's see what 2021 brings. It's a beautiful day outside. The 4Runner is still here, and we might have a mod on there that I'll have to show you soon. 4Runner's been a great daily, and it's gonna continue to be, so I'm pretty happy about that. Also, I'm in the middle of painting here in my front door area. It was kind of a yellow, as you can see, and now I'm kind of slowly, as I have time, converting it to like a light gray. It's almost white. Hopefully look a lot better. So I recently went to a Lexus event and I had a bunch of fun, and it kind of not reignited my love for the brand. I always have liked the brand, but it was just really cool. I got to drive pretty much all the new models, except for the IS 500, it wasn't there. Got to drive the new IS 350 F Sport, the LC 500, and RCF. It was just super fun, super cool, and kind of made me want one again. But that's not the reason I sold the Camaro. I was just like, oh, those are cool. Saw the Camaro, moved to Arizona, and then I just thought about it more, and was like, well, it's nice not to have that payment anymore, but also I kind of would like another car, but I'm really content with the 4Runner. So we'll see what happens, but that Lexus event was super fun. So if you ever have a chance to do like a Lexus driving experience, or a Lexus driving tour is what they call it, or even like Lexus F Day in Arizona, definitely take advantage of that. Super fun. So as you can see, the garage is looking pretty good. Cleaned up, sold some parts. Have the headers off the Camaro to sell. I never installed them. Long tube headers, kind of sucks, but at least you can sell these parts because everybody wants them. Also have a ZL1 strut tower brace from 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗓𝗔𝗡𝗏 ZL1's ZL1. So I'll be probably selling that here. I also have a front lip for the Camaro, never put on. Probably sell that really cheap. Lastly, we have the stock Camaro SS steering wheel with the airbag. I did put some carbon fiber pieces on here. That's for sale as well. I would be lying though if I said I wasn't gonna miss it. It was an awesome car. I had an awesome time with it in my short 9 months of having it. And yeah, this is kind of an update video slash car update slash life update. I know I made a video right before this, if you saw it, about moving to Arizona. I actually ended up taking that down just because with not moving, it didn't really make sense to have that up there. So we're figuring it out. I'm gonna stay here a little longer. We got our friends in the area like Hammer Down Motorsports and Poor Man Mods, and we have a meet coming up on May 1st, 2021 here in the York County area. So if you're local, come out to that, hang out. I'll have the 4Runner with some of the new mods. You can check it out, and maybe we can talk cars. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but the other reason I got rid of it is because when I put it up for the price I wanted for it with everything done to it, a couple people were like, oh, you're not gonna get that for it. And it's like, well, that's what Kelly Blue Book says it's worth, and it's even better condition than like a stock one. It's got a lot of better upgrades. So, I mean, the wing alone was super nice and new, and I didn't have it that long. So I was like, somebody will pay the right amount for it. So actually a guy contacted me and he wanted to offer me what I wanted, and he actually ended up being from a dealership. So I brought it to a Chevy dealership and sold it to them, and they have it listed for like way over what I sold it for. They'll probably get that, but it just worked out to pay off the loan, made a little money on it, and now they can sell a nice car and somebody else can enjoy it. So it's not all bad. I did go to my first ever swap meet, and I got some discounted tools, so that was pretty cool. I took out the old flags, got the Toyota flag, of course my custom made Marty Motoring flag, which is oddly better material than the cheap Toyota flag. I like how the garage turned out so far. Just, you know, painted it gray, put up some shelving, a cabinet, a toolbox, and another cabinet, and, you know, have all my like detailing stuff in here. And don't crucify me, this Armor All stuff was given to me, so I know a lot of detail people don't like Armor All, and but you know, I have like invisible glass, Rain-X, and I use a lot of turtle wax stuff too. It actually works pretty good. I mean, I'm not a professional detailer, but I can at least keep my cars clean. I was reminded of this funnel. This is from my friend Freddie. He made it for me through his company Fred Tech. He also runs Poor Man Mods. You can see when you get up close it says Yoda, which is super cool because Toyota. It's like in the same font too. And it's a funnel for motor oil. So this is actually threaded, and it'll thread right into the factory threading of like where the oil cap goes. So your funnel will stay nice and straight and not move and fall out. It just stays like that. You pour the oil in and you're good to go. So if you want to pick one of these up, they are on his website. I'll link that down in the description below, and you can get yourself a funnel with whatever you want to say. He has a couple different versions, and it's threaded. My friend Freddie also 3D printed me this Marty Motoring logo. I just kind of stuck it there for now, but I think I want to put that on the 4Runner. Might pop really well. Also, now that I have the rock sliders on the 4Runner, I don't really need the factory ones, so if you know anybody that needs them, I got the factory ones with the factory hardware. Don't need these running boards. I don't think I ever showed this room. It still needs kind of like renovated. I have a lot of work to do, and that's kind of why I couldn't really move yet. Also, like, I need to finish this, and it would put me on a time crunch. So I'm gonna paint all this gray. This is kind of like my back room. It has a walkout deck. It's pretty cool. I got all my 4Runner parts organized, and it's just some house stuff and some stuff to sell and give away. So there's gonna be a yard sale here soon. I'm gonna sell some of these subwoofers and just random other stuff. Stuff I don't really need. Just trying to do some spring clean in here. And it's probably gonna be the title of this video, Marty Motoring Spring Cleaning, because I got rid of the Camaro, got rid of a lot of stuff to kind of make way for new stuff and new opportunities. Drop in the comments if you have any ideas what I should do with this. It's not really heated or cooled, unfortunately. And once it's all cleaned up, I don't want to just use it as storage. I was gonna do like maybe a lounge or a workout area, or like some kind of car related thing. That wall is on the garage. I even thought about making shelves here and, you know, putting the air compressor, running lines through. I don't know, I don't want to get too crazy with it, but I think I can actually do something in this room. I mean, I honestly wish the garage just didn't have a wall and it came out all the way here, but yeah, that's just too much work. So yeah, those are some of the house mods I have planned. All right, and now we're in the 4Runner. Gonna go run some nice Saturday errands. Always a fun time. Life is a little crazy right now, but I'm kind of glad I can stay in the area a little bit longer and hang out and do more stuff this summer. Maybe I'll get another car. I got the 4Runner. I'm happy. Hopefully pay this thing off. I'd really like to film other people's cars too, as that's pretty fun. Can't really see it, but we have a nice 144,000 miles on the 4Runner. Sure we'll hit 145 in no time here. And we're staying here for the time being. Gonna enjoy the 4Runner. No more Camaro content, but maybe we can figure something else out. I just want to say thanks for following along. Thanks for following the channel and supporting. Yeah, I appreciate everybody that watches the videos. Follow me on Instagram. We can talk on there at Marty Motoring. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep those wheels turning.